shape, that is the umbel. See, umbel. The umbel inflorescence is classified into two main groups, that is simple umbel and second one is compound umbel. See here, in a simple umbel, the nature of the peduncle is condensed and growth of the peduncle is indefinitely, but it is condensed, it is reduced to the condensed form of the peduncle. So what is the growth of the peduncle? That is called indefinitely. And order of the here, see, order of arrangement and opening of flowers is called centripetal condition. See here, in a simple umbel, the peduncle is condensed to form the discoid shape. It can grow continuously, that is indefinitely, and that is arrangement and opening of flowers are called centripetal. See, what is the structure of the simple umbel? See that the peduncle is condensed to form the discoid shape of the peduncle. So on the peduncle, all flowers are originate at the same point. See, this is the all flowers. See, all flowers are originate at the same point. Okay, na? So this is a flower, this is a flower, this is a flower. Okay, here all flowers are originate at the same point. So the peduncle, this is the peduncle, this peduncle is condensed to form the discoid shape. Next, this is the flower. So these flowers are called bisexual flower, and this flower is contains a small, that is a long pedicel, that is called pedicellate flowers, and each flower is contains bract. That bract is present in this flower, that is called bracteate flower. Right. So here that all flowers are originate at the same point on the peduncle. And what is the order and the opening of the flowers? That this is older flowers. These are older flowers. This is the younger flowers. Means the younger flowers are present at the center of the peduncle, and older flowers are present at the peripheral side. And what is the opening of the flowers? From the peripheral side to the center. This type of arrangement is called centripetal arrangement. See here, this is the older flower. The older flowers are present at the base of at the peripheral side. This is a younger flower. First these two flowers are open, then these two flowers are open, the last the central flower, this is open. So that is the opening of the flowers from the peripheral side to the center. This type of arrangement is called that is a centripetal arrangement. Okay, na? So here the most important characteristic feature of the simple umbel, the all bracts of the flower, unit to form a whole-like structure, that is called involucre. This is the modification of bract. So in this simple umbel, the flowers are bracteate. Each flower of bracts are united to form a wall-like structure that is called involucre. So this is the important characteristic feature of the simple umbel. Simple umbel. What is the example of the simple umbel? Simple umbel example, that is Allium cepa. Allium cepa. This is the scientific name of onion. This is a scientific name of onion. Okay, na? Simple umbel is the main characteristic feature of the Liliaceae family. Liliaceae family. Okay, na? So this is the simple umbel. So next, what is the compound umbel? Compound umbel. Here the peduncle is condensed. The peduncle is condensed, and the peduncle is branched. Peduncle is branched. Peduncle is branched. So remaining the flowers are bracteate and pedicellate bisexual flowers. See here, the peduncle is branched. This is the simple umbel is unbranched. Simple umbel is unbranched. Simple umbel is unbranched and compound umbel is branched. So peduncle growth of the peduncle is it can be reduced to condensed form. Condensed form. So this is the compound umbel. So what is the structure of the compound umbel? It is unbranched. See, this is the compound umbel. Compound umbel. This is peduncle is branched. Peduncle is branched. Each branched peduncle is resembles the simple umbel. Simple umbel. So this is the flowers. All flowers are originate at the same point. All flowers are originate at the same point. This is the simple umbel. So here also same like that. All flowers are at the same level. This is also like this. Okay, na? So here this is the peduncle is branched. This is one simple umbel. This is one simple umbel. This is a simple umbel. Means that is branched peduncles are there. Branched peduncle. On the peduncles, on the condensed form of the peduncle. This is the condensed. This is a peduncle. Peduncle is condensed. Peduncle is condensed. On the peduncle, that is branches of simple umbels are there. So this is one simple umbel. This is one simple umbel. This is one simple umbel. So like this, different simple umbels are united at the base of the condensed peduncle. Okay, na? So this is the compound umbel. So in compound umbel, that all bracts of the flowers unit to form that bract like a structure that is called involucre. Involucre. It is a modification of bract. In a simple umbel, all bracts are unite to form a wall-like structure that is called involucre. In a compound umbel, that all flowers of bracts, all flowers of simple umbel bracts are united to form the wall-like structure that is called involucre. This is the characteristic feature of the compound umbel. See here, simple umbel, condensed peduncle, unbranched. In compound umbel, the peduncle is condensed, the peduncle is branched. Each branch is resembles the simple umbel. So what is the example of compound umbel? That is example of compound umbel, that is coryandrum. Coryandrum. So this is the example of compound umbel. Coriander means, that is the scientific name of the coriander. Okay na? So that simple umbel is the characteristic feature of the Umbelliferae family. Umbelliferae family means this one is also known as Apiaceae family. Apiaceae family. Here, that is the simple umbel is the characteristic feature of the Liliaceae family. Liliaceae family members, they have contains simple umbel, compound umbel. That this compound umbel is the characteristic feature of the Umbelliferae family or Apiaceae. So this is the compound umbel. So in this compound umbel, the flowers are bracteate, pedicellate and bisexual flowers. So this is the complete explanation of the racemose inflorescence with pedicellate flowers. Again, what is the conclusion about this topic? That is the simple raceme and compound raceme. Simple raceme, that is the arrangement and opening of flowers, are called centripetal succession. Compound raceme is also that is acropetal succession. Here acropetal succession. Compound raceme also acropetal succession, and simple umbel is also acropetal succession. Here compound corymb is also order and opening of the flowers are called acropetal succession, but simple umbel is centripetal succession. Compound umbel is also centripetal succession. So here in racemose inflorescence with pedicellate flowers, these two are arrangement and opening of flowers are called centripetal. Remaining these four are acropetal succession. Okay na? So this is the complete explanation of racemose inflorescence with pedicellate flowers. Okay na? Thank you.